it is, update on Derek's car. He got a Lexus.
Traded it in, had to get a new car, you know, something more reliable.
Gonna be doing a VIP build.
Yeah, VIP, V8, you know.
It's gonna be sick.
I'm just kidding.
Put it on some bags. Crazy.
Not that car. Not that car, it looks too new. It's not boxy.
That's true, it isn't even, I mean, but it's a Lexus.
It's a Lexus. It'll smoke this car right here. Especially because it's not moving.
Especially because it doesn't run. So, this is actually the update on my car if you watched last week's video. At the end of the video, we talked about how both cars are going to actually be down for the channel, and it's still settling in my mind, kinda, but my engine is also fucked. Donuts went a little crazy. So, if you remember in last week's video, I said my birthday was the next day after Derek's car died. The day after my birthday, I did some birthday donuts, and it fucked up the car. As you know, the GR86 second gen 86 platform, whatever you want to call it, has a problem with its oil pickup tube and the RTV clogging it. And I'm pretty sure that's what happened doing donuts, was keeping all the oil sloshed to one side. One thing though, I want to say, I was not doing right turn donuts. I wasn't going this way, and that's usually when this car blows up on hard, long right turns. I was going the other way, but it still happened. So I should show these. Proof that donuts were done. These wheels are completely shredded on the stocks, and don't worry, we didn't waste brand new Pilot 4S's. These were already, well actually, I mean I did waste them, I guess.
You had them for a year.
Not even, I haven't had my car for a year. Anyways, Derek was riding on these, as you guys know. He was running the second gen stock wheels, and they were finally run down to the wire on his car, I want to say, by the way, because his alignment is fucked. But yeah, and it these tires off, which also ended my car. So we're switching over back the 5070Rs, and we are having the car brought over to a shop to get it looked at. And yes, I know usually you would keep stock wheels on when your car's on the shop so your good wheels don't get fucked up, but I don't want these to just like go flat out of nowhere, because the wheels on Derek's car did go flat at one point, so I don't want to trouble the shop with flat tires. So we're switching over the new wheels, and we're gonna have this brought over to the shop. Tow truck's on the way. So let's get that on. Derek's already starting on it over there. Ready? Oh, fuck that.
Moved to the side of the street. Let's go.
Makes me so sad. Car doesn't run.
Her car's finally faster than mine.
Faster than both our cars.
Faster than both our cars.
Now we can push the car faster.
Yeah, by the way, if you guys never saw in that past video of the UEL versus EL headers, my car's faster than that car.
There it is. It's on the tow truck. Headed to the shop now. I hate seeing my car on a tow truck. It's so sad. Derek giving me the ride in the fastest car out of the three. His, mine, and this car. Yeah, V8. We're about to see this thing pulls. Derek says it pulls.
It does pull.
Damn, so sad to see it. But that means it's getting fixed, hopefully. I'm gonna go cry. dropped off at Miyake Motorsports. Check it out. We got Ryan over here. He's gonna be the mechanic working on my car. Battery's dead, so we have to get a charger for it. Yeah, we're gonna get it charged up, and then he's gonna check it out and just give me a call to figure out what's wrong, because I am low on time right now. But that's the update. Yep. All right. Thank you. When Ryan said I'd rather get a Miata than an 86, I was like, damn, that's so sad. He's not wrong though. They're more reliable than freaking boxer engines over there. Well, I guess this will be the end of the video. Next video coming up, we're gonna be tearing apart Derek's engine, or at least trying to get it out of the car first, and then maybe tearing it apart. We'll see what happens. Hopefully some good news from my car. I don't know. It'd be really funny if I get a call and he's like, dude, there's nothing wrong with the engine. I'm perfectly fine.
Like you're hearing things.
Yeah, I was like, nah, bro. I have a video, I swear. We'll see though. Hopefully he gives a call back soon. Shouldn't be too long. I should get the call back today. He's just waiting for his battery pack to charge. Yeah, this will be the end of the video. We have a 2 series going on, fixing my car, fixing Derek's car. And then who knows, maybe we'll do a video on like professional rebuild of an engine versus 2 idiots rebuilding an engine comparison. And
if your engine also blew up this month, need some help, we got you for a small fee of $100,000.
I wouldn't even. That's like jokingly, I wouldn't even do something like that. 100,000, damn, bro.
Yeah, you gotta have some money.
Yeah, I mean, it's some special work. Like, and by special, I mean special.
Yeah.
Was the radio running in the beginning of the clip?
I don't know what the fuck that is.
Copyright, probably. Okay.
Oh, I'm so sad.
Cue the outro.